This is your girl, Bree, and I am back again, finally. I've been missing in action for a few weeks due to work. I finally got a job this year, you guys. Woo. Yes, I'm back in the work game. But I picked a job that's super busy around Christmas time, and they added on 22 hours to our work week. Yes, that means tons of overtime. It's a long time to film YouTube videos and spend with my family, which absolutely sucks. But yeah, anyway, I'm back. So today I'm back with a video of what I bought from Paparazzi. Yes, Paparazzi. I placed an order, I want to say sometime around Black Friday. I can't even remember. Like, I've ordered from so many different websites. But anyway, this one is about Paparazzi. This is my first time ordering from their website. I have a friend that sells with them, and she's been posting tons of videos on Facebook, hosting virtual parties. And she had some really cute items, and I had to go on Paparazzi to figure out what it's about. If you haven't heard, Paparazzi is a jewelry website where everything is $5. $5 is pretty cool. And also, if you like the jewelry and you want to start your own business, you can sign up to become a consultant and you can sell the jewelry. I don't know too much about all that, but I'm going to link the website to my consultant in the description. And if you reach out to her and you're interested in selling Paparazzi for yourself, she can give you more details of all that. But on to my video of unboxing this bad baby. The box is absolutely gorgeous. It's hot pink and black with the Paparazzi logo on there. I hope you guys can see that. It says accessorize, invite, and become. Become basically means that you can become your own consultant and make some profit from selling your jewelry. And like I said, this box is very cute. It says, don't drop, fragile, handle with care. Very cute. So on to the unboxing to see what I ordered, because I can't even remember what I ordered. I'm just coming to you guys with a quick video unboxing my very first Paparazzi order. I ordered this about 3 weeks ago, and I'm just now opening it up. Honestly, I don't even remember what jewelry pieces I ordered, but I wanted to share it with you guys anyway. So here we go, unboxing my order. And I couldn't find my scissors, so I'm gonna use a butter knife to cut this open. The box is very cute, you guys. It's shiny gloss to it, nice texture. And that came open nice and easy. There's no design in the inside of the box, just brown cardboard. All right, my shipping label, I'm gonna go ahead and move that out the way. No bubble wrap, just the items, but they're not fragile anyway, so that really doesn't matter. It looks like I ordered 5 items. They cost $5 a piece. So let's see what earrings I ordered. Like I said, I do not remember what I ordered at all. Oh, these are really cute. It's like a bronze color, hammered look to it. Dangly earrings. Yeah, these are really cute. Some of these items I may give for Christmas presents, stocking stuffers, but this pair, I'm gonna keep these for myself. I gotta try these on later, you guys. These are really pretty. Okay, up next. And this is the name, if anybody's looking for that. It's called Artifacts of Life Brass Post Earrings. And I hope you guys can see the numbers on it, just in case you guys want to order it. I will link the website that I got them from down below. Up next, we have Springtime Desserts Copper Post Earrings. Oh, these are gorgeous. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, okay, so this is a pair of hoops. And this one's called Black Blockbuster Hoop Earrings, Glitzy by Association. And that's the numbers on there if you guys want to order. Okay, you guys, these are gorgeous. Look at that detail. Very shiny. And it's like a 3D jewelry. It's not like a glitter. Can't quite explain it, but you guys can see that. These are absolutely gorgeous. I have to keep these for myself. And like I said, these are $5, and these are some heavy earrings. They're not light at all. These are nice. Up next, we have High Class Celebrity. These are clip-ons. Okay. I didn't mean to order clip-ons, but we'll open them up anyway. If they're cute enough, I'll still wear them. If not, I'll just gift these out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see why I ordered these. These kind of reminded me of the Titanic necklace, so that's why I grabbed these up, you guys. These are really pretty. Clip-ons, not for me, but they're gorgeous. I'm gonna have to wear these anyway. These are really pretty, guys. All right, last but not least, I did order one ring. And the ring I ordered is called Leave No Trace. And what I like about their rings, you don't have to worry about sizing. It's stretchy band material. So if you're going to gift this, you don't have to know what ring size the person wears. You don't have to give away that you're going to get them a ring or anything. Look at this. Gorgeous. Let me try that on. I don't know if I want to wear it on that finger. I don't know. It's so pretty though. All the items are so cute, you guys. I just want to keep everything for myself. Which ones do you guys like the most? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, guys. So I forgot to mention which earrings were my favorite. I'm torn between these and these. So yeah, I don't want to take them out the pack and try them on because I'm going to gift a pair. But these are really cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. But then these are cute. Oh, I should have ordered more than one, but luckily they're only $5 a pair, so I might have to go back and get these for myself. Yeah, they're so cute. Well, anyway, these are my top 2 faves out of what I ordered. I hope that you enjoyed my unboxing video. All the pieces were absolutely gorgeous. Which piece was your favorite piece? Which one should I keep? Which one should I gift for Christmas? Let me know down in the comments below. And that's it, you guys, for my unboxing video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a comment. Let me know. And also be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I release new content. You'll be the first ones. All right, thank you.